Let me open my calculator and I'm going to perform an addition here. 1, 0, 10 plus 5 and boom, I got the answer. And it is 100% accurate. Now, have you ever wondered what is behind it? In our this tutorial, we are making an addition function with the Swift language. It will be covered in 3 parts. Get the user input, make a function, call that function. Now, make your first variable a and equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Now, move to next step. Make a function, name it for example add, and make a final structure. Receive first value with the num1, data type will be int, and same with the second. And I want to see the result in int data type. Now, simply call our initial made a variable plus with b with the help of a return keyword. Now, if you keep enjoying this video, must hit the like and subscribe button. It will update the YouTube algorithm to the next level for both of us. Now, call our final results. Make a result variable to store our final answer and put equals and call our created function name add, as num1 will be a and num2 will be b. To show the final results, put result variable in the print function. Yes, now here is the breakdown. First value is this, the second input value is this, and the final answer is this. Here you go. Thank you very much.